what we are going to do in a short tutorial, we are going to install Kokoro text-to-speech. This is an open source text-to-speech model, and when you have this installed, this will save you a lot of money because there are a lot of alternatives you could use. For example, of course, 11 Labs. Everybody knows 11 Labs with all their voices. Personally, Fall AI is one of my favorites. They are offering several text-to-speech models. As you can see, they are offering Minimax, Dia is a new model. They have an 11 Labs endpoint that you could use. But for now, we are going to try to install Kokoro text-to-speech. For this, what we are going to do is we are going to self-host our n8n, and we are going to install Kokoro text-to-speech. I've never seen a tutorial that's talking about this way to install Kokoro, but we are going to do it in less than 6 minutes. Currently, I'm using Hetzner to host my server, and for this example, I've created this server, and hosting a server on Hetzner is really cheap. In this case, I'm just paying 16 euros, and I'm using several self-hosted open source. Make sure that my cost for each video or everything I do for n8n is stay as low as possible. When you have installed the server and Hetzner, you can go to install Easypanel. Easypanel is a tool where you can manage your server. The nice thing about Easypanel is that they will offer templates that you can use, and you can just install all these projects on your self-hosted Hetzner server. So for example, here is Crawl for AI, an open source project which you can use to crawl data. They have as well Kokoro. They offer several services, as you can see. n8n, they have 20, that's a CRM. You can even host browserless on it. That's also a scraper. And you can, of course, have n8n and WordPress. There are plenty of options that you can choose from. But for now, we are going to install Kokoro. So when you go to when you have installed Easypanel on your server, you will get this dashboard. In this dashboard, you can create a project. In that project, you can add a service. Just like this, search for Kokoro, and here is the template to install Kokoro. Just like that, you can install n8n, you can install WordPress, you can install browserless, you can install Crawl for AI. It's a very nice tool to install these kind of services. When you have installed your Kokoro, you will get an option to go to the domain, just like this, and this is your own Kokoro instance. So for example, I will generate this voice. Let's listen to it.
Winners never quit, and quitters never win. Winners never quit.
These are all the voices you could choose from, and these are the languages. We are self-hosted, so we can select at execution phase place API. For this, you will need an API key. You can go to your Easypanel environment. At variables, you will have this variable. Just copy this API key and go to your Kokoro instance, paste the API key in it, and press OK. Then, this is a really neat trick. So here are all the endpoints for your API. You can authorize with your API key. So you will have to copy it, go to the and authorize close. Then you will have these endpoints, press execute. Then you will have your C-curl over here. This is what we are going to use in our n8n template. We are using this long form bedtime story template, and currently we are using Fall AI with the 11 Labs endpoint, but we are going to add our new HTTP request. So this one, import C-curl, paste the C-curl, and this is it. But we aren't done yet, because when we execute the step now, you will see that we will have to change some settings. So first, we will have to choose a model. Let's copy this last one and paste it in. Then we will need to choose a voice. Let's do Lewis and paste it over here. Then the input, let's do this is a Kokoro test. We installed it really quickly with Easypanel template. Like this. All right. Then we will have to change the speed. We will need to make it an expression. Otherwise, it will be sent to the API as a string and it won't work. So like this. Now let's try to execute the step again. And there is our audio
This is a Kokoro test. We installed it really quickly with Easypanel template.
Nice. This is it for this tutorial. You can, of course, connect it in your workflow and use your own text-to-speech model, and don't need to use any expensive endpoints from any other services. If you have any questions about this tutorial, just put it in the comments, and remember, subscribe, like, and share the video if it was value for you.